To determine the current draw of a 230-volt quick recovery residential water heater with two 3000-watt elements, we will use Ohm's law. Ohm's law provides the fundamental relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. The formula to calculate current is current equals power divided by voltage, or I equals P divided by V. This formula is derived from the basic principles of Ohm's law and is essential for understanding electrical circuits and power calculations. Firstly, we need to calculate the current draw for one element. Given that each element has a power rating of 3000 watts and the voltage is 230 volts, we can apply the formula. Current for each element equals 3000 watts divided by 230 volts. Performing this calculation, 3000 divided by 230 results in 13.4 amps. This is the amount of current each individual heating element will draw. Secondly, since there are two elements in a water heater, we need to consider that both elements will be drawing current. To find the total current draw, we sum the current draw of each element. Total current draw equals 2 times 13.4 amps. This calculation gives us 26.8 amps. Rounding this to 2 decimal places, the total current draw is 26.9 amps. Therefore, the total current draw of the 230-volt quick recovery residential water heater equipped with two 3000-watt elements is 26.9 amps. This is a straightforward application of Ohm's law, essential for electrical calculations.